channel, and in this video I'm going to unbox my new Hot Wheels Lamborghini Huracan. Okay, okay. What are we waiting for? Let's get on to the video. So first we have the package. Next we have scissors. Before that, I got a card. There's a card with it. So let's take the card. Okay, so I have to collect all the cards. Okay. Okay, so with this piece of board, we have to build a track for our car. So first let's unbox the car, then let's make the track. This car costs 2000 rupees and I purchased it from Amazon. I've linked it in the description box. Go check the product. Okay guys, so I've got this card along with it. So make and play garage. So this is a make and play garage. So press out parts, fold along creases and insert flaps into slots in numerical order. Stick with glue or sticky tape. So now let's make our garage with this. So guys, we finally did this. So we successfully built a garage. So as you can see here, there's the road. There are the doors. So let's play with it. Time to play.
Yeah.
Play.
Yeah.
Play.
Yeah.
Play.
Yeah.
Play.
Yeah.
Play. So guys, let's begin playing.
Yeah.
It went inside smooth. Is it coming back? Okay. Thank you. So first let's drive it. Let's take a reverse. Let's get inside. Okay, now the garage doors are opening. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, share and comment.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, so guys, our Lamborghini has got friends. Okay, so now time to play with all of our friends. So here's our garage. Then let's open another way. Okay. Now, okay, let's McQueen. So we are going to play with it. Then